Kung Fu, right?
Yeah.
So it's very careful. Anyway, that's good. Good plan.
Years I want to do this, you know. We have to run, no?
No, I'm fasting. Of course, no. If I'm not fasting, yeah, you can run. This is Central Jakarta.
Come on, come on, come on.
You wanna join Grandpa and Grandma? Oh, it's Kung Fu, right?
Yeah.
So it's very careful.
What is he doing?
This is my friend. This is always running every weekend. Yeah, they have a community running in Jakarta. They always say, "Come to me, we run together."
Oh, yeah.
This is to have too many photographers. If you have to photographers, I don't know. This is one photo, I think it's 100. Oh, I don't know. It's so expensive.
It's got to be there, but only on
Sunday, 6
Sunday.
until 10.
Selamat datang di Indonesia. His Excellency. Who's this guy?
Hi.
Vietnam. I want to run out. Okay, you also.
Free, so I've been in Australia and come here on holiday from Australia. Tonight we're going to the, I don't know if you see on the Jakarta couch surfing, there's a potluck on tonight.
Yeah, there is, but
Yeah.
tonight I can't be here because due to work.
Ah, you can work.
So yeah.
Can't do everything, no problem.
So when did you came here, Jakarta?
So we arrived on the 7th of March.
Yeah, okay. You are with your mother?
Yeah, I'm with my mother, but she can't do this. She can't
Yeah.
do this. So she's back at the we're couch surfing, and she's back there
That's nice.
in East Jakarta. Yeah, but she's 86, so she's doing an incredible job.
Yeah.
Couch surfing and adventuring. So both of you off today? No work?
No work. Weekend is
You've got a bit of work today, but she doesn't have work. So what percentage would you say, like, is filming compared to post sort of processing?
For me, I can edit, like, but I don't like, editing. I
Right.
think it's kind of boring, and when I'm in my room, I get too comfortable in my comfort zone. So
So most of your footage is pretty raw then.
Yeah.
You don't
yeah, now it's raw. Before then, I used to like proper edit. I used to make content. There was another YouTube channel, Parbat Badosh. It's like for
Anyway, that's good. Good plan. Sounds like you've got a plan.
yeah, for next 10 years, I want to do this.
Awesome. Sure, why not? And they treat their employees really well, and they let me leave. I can leave whenever I like. I can work as much as I like, and I can leave whenever I like. So for me, that's the job for me, because it just fits well into. Means I can travel if I want, whenever I like, whenever I want. There's not many jobs that let you do that, so. And I actually quite enjoy it because, it's up my line. People come to me and say, "I'm going on my first backpacking trip to Europe. What should I take?" And so I have the experience to help them. Plus, I do not nowhere near as much as you, but I do a bit of hiking as well.
Uh-huh.
So I've hiked the most famous hike in Western Australia is called the Bimban Track hike, and it's 1,000 kilometres. And I hiked that by myself in 2021, solo.
How much?
1,000 kilometres.
1,000
Yes.
kilometer.
Yes.
Okay. In how many days?
100 days.
100 days.
Yeah. So I took it really quite slowly.
Oh.
Most people do it in like 60 to 80 days. I did. I love this job.
Yeah. You want to take pictures?
I'm very biased because I love Australia. But like here you get all the washed out sky, and you want beautiful blue sky and beautiful white sand, and it's very hard to beat Australia in terms of Have you been to the mosque?
Okay, let's go.
So are you actually a couch surfer? Have you actually done it?
In Pakistan, yeah, not a host,
Not
but
hosting, but you've been a guest.
yeah,
Only in Pakistan.
yeah. Like you can say I'm not new to couch surfing, but I don't use that much,
That's insane. Do it. Amazing.
Yeah.
I'm a huge